So we are currently in Tulum, Mexico, and I'm gonna give you a tour of my place. Come on in. Okay, so this is the living room area. Basically, it's giving very aesthetic vibe. Let me just show y'all around. Okay, so it has like these beanbag chairs, and then it has this couch, and then this cute little mini couch. Oh, this is kind of hard. And then a TV and this little cactus. So this is a nice day bed, and then it's like a full view right there. And then over here is the kitchen. Okay, so here's the kitchen. And we went and did a little groceries yesterday. So we got watermelon, apples, like chips and stuff, Chobani yogurt. I got a cheesecake and tangerines or mandarins, little snacks and stuff. And then these honey barbecue chips, and I also got the sweet and salty bars. That'll probably be my breakfast today. And yeah, that's really it for the kitchen and the living room. And then there's a room over here, bathroom, and then this is my bathroom. And I already like took everything out. And then we also have my room. So I already like took all my clothes out and organized it because this is what I'm gonna wear. And I just figured, you know, why not unpack? And then this is my outfit for today right here. We're doing excursions, so I'm gonna try and record that. And then this is my view. Well, honestly, I had a really good sleep and I did feel very safe. And then there's like a little mini balcony right here. It's like not big, but it's a nice balcony. And then me again. And then yeah, that's it for the downstairs, but I'll take y'all upstairs so you can see. So we're about to head upstairs. And look at this spiral staircase. I used to want one of these like in a house when I get one, but I think I'm gonna pass after trying this one out, but like, yeah. This is the upstairs. Who knows? There's another bedroom up here, but she's still sleeping, so I'm gonna avoid that room. The balcony. It's like an upstairs, you know, private area. And then this cute little pool. Very catch the views. Okay, yeah, that's really it though. Danya! Morning! That's really it. Huh? Hey! But that's really it. I'm about to eat breakfast because I'm starving. I'm gonna just have a sweet and salty bar with a Chobani yogurt and maybe a tangerine. And look, I gotta walk down these steps like an old lady. But that's it. I'll be back. Okay, so we are ready, but we still have like an hour, so we're just relaxing. And we got the hookah going. We got the hookah going, and I'm about to edit this TikTok that I just made and sent my parents some pictures. Danya's over there taking pictures.
Because it's Friday. You don't have long days on Fridays.
Danya, say hey.
Hey!
And Kelly is downstairs. I think she's eating her food from last night. But this is the view. Let me show y'all the views. And I'm getting burnt by the sun right now. I'm not a huge fan of that, but that's fine. I needed some vitamin D anyway. But yeah, this is it right now, y'all. I don't want to bore you, so I'm gonna call you back once I get on the road and out in the excursions. I'll call you right back.
Oh, he's going back in. Oh, yeah, that's what Nia said her taxi driver did. Yeah. Like.
So they didn't let us bring our cameras or phones with us, so we had to keep it in a locker. These are the pictures they took of me on the horse. It was like a 30 to 40 minute ride around their trail. Kind of felt like we were going in circles, but it was still nice. This is a picture of us on the bus that picked us up from Tulum and took us to Cancun.
Hi, Oscar.
Very welcome, señoritas.
Bienvenidos.
16. Excuse me. Girls,
What?
come here.
Cenote.
Oh, it's not bad.
Okay,
Yeah, that's not
remember
bad.
what I told you? This is well, that you see it's beautiful, but the lowest part is about 25 feet deep. The deepest part is there, 98.
Oh, everyone has life vests.
If you want to wear like jacket, we have like jackets behind of you in the greenhouse. You can throw it. You can just grab it. We have dressing rooms, restroom, showers right there. Okay.
And where can we leave our... Oh, just right there. Okay, I see it.
Right here, or very right here, because by the zip line, because I will be there.
Okay.
So you know everybody is going to be there.
Sounds good.
You gonna do it?
I'm gonna get in, but I'm not gonna get in.
I just need to make
You
sure.
look like you were considering.
Y'all come get me. And can we...
Girl,
Go! Yes! I love it. I love it. Let's go! Let's go!
now squat, lean back, and vámonos.
Wait!
Let's go!
Jump it! Get in and get out.
Okay, so I wore my life jacket on this because I just was kind of iffy about it, but it was not bad at all. It was a lot of fun. And then we also went ziplining, and they didn't let us record that. So here are pictures of us ziplining. We got to go upside down and do cool, like, you know, pole tricks or whatever. This was a lot of fun.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck, not a nigga. Big Birkin man, 4, 5, 6 niggas. Right, so my ass, so we call it pussy nigga. Sucking on this Kevin ass, rich ass nigga. So I group of bitches in the ass.
So after the cenote, we got to go ATVing, and when I say we were covered in dust, like my white shirt was brown.
So guys, Jose Cuervo is in the top 5 of worst tequilas ever. Okay?
I believe you.
In fact, this bottle is 80% sugar. So this is what you get in your all-inclusive, your shots, your margaritas, and the next day you want to go with mommy and Colin. Okay? So please, please, please don't buy it. Mr. Don Julio, raise your hand if you think Don Julio is real tequila. Raise your hand. Don't be scared if you think it's real. Real, 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 real. Right here. Real. Right there. You say real? Yeah. Okay. So guys, Don Julio is Hey. Chan chan chan.
50-50.
Fake tequila too. Clase Azul, the big fancy bottle, blue and white, in porcelain with a bell in the top. That's real tequila. That's 100% blue agave from Jalisco, but that bottle is like $180, $200, something like that. So guys, I know you're sad right now, so let's start drinking, okay? So guys, we have right here, this is Reserva Palacios, okay? From Tequila, Jalisco, Tequila town, where the tequila was born, 100% blue agave. Okay, you're gonna see the difference right now. Please, wait for me. No, chasers, oh my God. You're gonna see the difference right now. Please, wait for me to drink. I have to drink with you, it's my job.
You said cheese?
Okay guys, so, to drink tequila is gonna be like this. First, I'm gonna ask you, please, smell the tequila.
It smells good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Obviously, it smells like alcohol, but it smells too like a sweet plant. Notice that regular smell of tequila? No. This is 100% natural, okay? Now, to drink, it's gonna be like this. You're gonna take a breath, drink, swallow, and then
Oh, I've been told to do
breathe
this
out by your
before.
mouth, okay? So please say with me, very loud, Salud!
Salud! Salud. Okay.
I'll do that next time.
It was. I like it.
Oh, before you were
Okay guys, I don't know, but for me it's very smooth. Of course, you have a warm sensation right here in your chest right now.
That'd be a good gift.
My God.
You won't let me get a taste.
Oh my God.
I live that. I don't got nothing. Wait this time. Have you saw me? Go back in the water.
Reposado. That's for you.
You won't let me get a taste.
Double.
I'm just saying about the chasers. Water. No, because we don't have the waiters right here at the front. So guys, once again, with me, salud!
Salud. Y'all did it? Oh, okay.
Which one better?
Gracias. Un momento. Gracias.
Okay guys, once again with me, salud!
Salud. Gracias.
Salud!
Ooh, we're missing something. Okay, so we're at Black and Tulum.
What they say? What they say?
Okay, so we're about to head to the marina so we could do our yacht day. It's like a 45-minute drive, so I'm just gonna do a quick little. This is what I'm wearing. We're supposed to be wearing brown. That's the vibe. So this is what I have. But yeah, we're about to head there.
I actually have the stripper for you today. Okay. Apollo gonna be the host today, okay?
Okay.
And the ladies, I'm looking for Donia.
Yes.
Hi, Donia. I'm Stephanie.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to
Sorry
meet
we're
you.
late.
No,
Sorry.
that's totally fine.
We are finally getting on our yacht.
Chicas, do me a big favor, please, and put your sandals or shoes or whatever in the bucket, please. Por favor. Vámonos. Mami,
Y'all could collect that money later.
chicas.
Buenos días.
Some people will wear like the extra, they wear heels and shit. Like,
Okay, I know they're gonna give us some rules.
Here is your welcome drink. Por favor.
What is it?
What is it?
Today in Mexico we are celebrating the National Margaritas Day.
Woo!
oh, it's margarita.
Margaritas for everybody.
Okay, thank you.
Very soon, give me a second.
Ooh, it's a little tight. Okay. Ooh.
I know. Por favor, take a seat or lie down, whatever you want. Vamos, mami. ¿Dónde dejaste a tu esposo, por cierto?
En la casa, él está allá, y es en vacaciones, las chicas.
¿Tienes hijos?
No tenemos hijos.
No. Ok.
No.
Solo un viaje de niñas.
De niñas, de mis chicas.
Chicas.
I love this.
We finally made it.
I'm gonna take a picture of us three real quick. They already
Apollo.
yeah,
City in Spain, I guess.
Okay.
Spain. Spain.
jump in the water.
I know.
Diving straight off the top of the boat.
I'm not diving.
This is starboard. This is
Okay, so we're about to figure out how we get in this water. Excuse my wedgie.
Say your body tough tonight. Say I love you and deep for your life.
Next to the rope, shallow.
Okay, if I jump off this boat, it probably won't be on camera, but just know I jumped off this boat. They can, true.
All right.
one.
Margaritas on three.
Wait, hold on.
One. Margaritas on three.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Right.
1, 2, 3. Margaritas.
Oh, it's Stella.
Late. Don't be tardy for the party. So where y'all come back out? How y'all get back up here?
Can you touch the ground?
You can touch the ground? Y'all been here before. Y'all don't even panic in the water. My ass is panicking. Let me turn this thing around. My ass is panicking in the water, y'all. We don't know how to doggy paddle barely. Beautiful. Yeah, mama. What you with me that with? Hey, I don't know how to turn this thing off.
Thank you for grabbing it.
She just said it.
Be appreciative that I told you.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I was gonna
That's so Danya.
I was taking a picture.
Okay, so we're done at the yacht, and we're exhausted.
You know what?
We're so tired
You, bitch.
and burnt.
You really did orchestrate the whole.
I can't tell if you got a tan,
It really
Kelly.
did. Bitch, don't be rolling your eyes at me.
It's very light.
I didn't get a tan?
Barely. Maybe the back. I don't see anything.
It's a whole marina.
I'm pretty sure I got a tan though.
I was trying to sunbathe.
I can't see it, but if you can see it, it's there.
Let me see. No, I think we just gotta wait first.
Yeah, maybe.
Diane's your thing. You had a pharmacy.
But we getting super cute tonight because it's the birthday dinner. The diet plan.
Hello. Hi, mommy. Hi.
I love it.
I'm in Tulum. We just got off the boat.
Okay, yeah, so I'll probably check back in once I get ready. Yeah. It's hot. So this is my other skirt that I had. This was pretty cute too.
My hair looks like that too. I just wear wigs all the time. But like when I take my wig off.
Lulu is here, our lovely driver. Hola.
Hola.
Ooh, don't give it to you.
¿Estamos?
Llegando, yeah.
Rosa Negra. Need your IDs.
Thank you.
Your turn. Finally made it.
are walking to a corner store so I can find champagne to make this video. So it is pretty. Found something. Okay, we're about to head to the beach. And this is my fit for the day. And I have this book bag that I got from the grocery store that I'm gonna wear. See ya.
Actually, I don't know.
Okay, so we are on this strip and we're trying to get into a beach club, but they're charging like $200 per person, which is a little crazy. But
I want to go somewhere and get a drink.
we're trying to decide now what to do. Well, let's ask them how long it's for. I mean, what is it? What?
Something on your neck.
Oh my God. What is it? Did you get it all?
You stabbed her with a knife.
Y'all, that's gonna be on camera.
Stabbing her with your like a dagger, yo.
I just want. We're gonna rerun that and see how Danya tried to save me just now, and I'm gonna see what kind of bug it was. She said.
With her, like,
with her phone.
For me, I'm like, oh shit.
Anyway.
Stop right here in the shade and figure out what we want to do.
Right here?
Yes, please.
Oh.
Hot, y'all.
Okay, well, let's figure it out.
So.
I'm scared now.
Do y'all want to go to Taboo?
So we're gonna take the L and just pay $200, get into Taboo. And it's $200 per person.
You can use it for a hookah or food or drink. I don't think you do.
Taboo! You about to be lit. How much do they charge us to get in here? This is our receipt, just so you know.
It's in the U.S.
I don't know. I might have to. That's a lot of work. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's good. This is good.
Yeah, but when the sun really come out, that was more shady over there. I want a shade area.
We just made it.
Oh my God.
Ready? Oh, you want a line? Cheers. Cheers to 30. Cheers to 30.
long as forever. I swear I could spend whatever on it. And she hold me down every time I hit up. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me beg for it till she give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. I say you the fucking best, you the fucking best, you the fucking best, you the fucking best, you the best I ever had, best I ever had, best I ever had, best I ever had. I say you the fucking. Know you got a roommate, call me when there's no one there. Put the key under the mat and you know I be over there. I be over there, shout it, I be over there. I be hitting all the spots that you ain't even know it's there. And you don't even have to ask twice. You can have my heart or we can share it like the last.
We're bar hopping. That's the wave right now. Looking for some corn, some elote. Okay, hey Danya.
Hi.
What was your high and your low of the trip?
So my high was definitely the first day, just because I kind of pushed myself out of my comfort zone with all the adventures, zip lining, jumping in the cenotes, things like that. So it was different for me. So that was my high. My low was definitely the prices in Tulum. Well, the prices or the roads, because both of them kind of were just like, what the heck? Like, why are we paying such expensive prices for these roads? So yeah, but overall I had a good time.
Thank you. All right, hey Kelly.
Hello, Aaliyah.
What was your high and your low of the trip?
My high was definitely diving into the cenote and riding the horses. I'm a nature lover, so that was like beautiful to me. And then the lows were definitely the prices. Since 2020, Tulum has gotten really expensive.
We're all on the same page.
Yeah, I'm just not feeling it.
Okay.
Aaliyah, what are your highs and the lows of the trip?
Okay,
Hi, Aaliyah.
Hey.
What are your Hi, Aaliyah. What are your lows and highs of the trip?
Okay, so my high of the trip was definitely the yacht day when we jumped off the yacht and swam in the ocean and stuff. And then my low of the trip was definitely the prices, because I don't even know how much I spent out here, but I'm broke now.